Good morning students, welcome back to the SST class. How are you all students? Hope you all are safe at your homes. Dear students, you know that we have started the lesson the plateau and the desert regions. In the previous video classes you have seen the explanation classes, and also after completing the explanation, dictation words and evaluate part A I have solved in that. Is it, dear student? So dear students, what things we have learnt in this class? Means after learning the peninsular plateau, the plateau and the desert regions, we come to know that the peninsular plateau covers most part of the southern India, and the river Narmada divides the plateau into two parts, that is Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. So the Central Highlands in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together make the Central Highlands, and the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert stretches in the northwest of the Indian subcontinent, spreading across India and Pakistan. These things we have learned in this class. Dear students, today I am going to solve evaluate part B, that is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay, dear students, number 1, that is the river divides the southern plateau into Central Highlands yes, dear students, and Deccan Plateau. Yes, here the options I have given. The river divides the southern plateau into Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Its options are Ganga, second option Kaveri, the third option Narmada, and the fourth option is Tapi. So which river divides here? The river divides the southern plateau into Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Answer is Narmada. The river Narmada divides the plateau into southern plateau into two parts. Okay. Question number 2 is, this plateau is not a part of Southern Plateau. Yes, this plateau is not a part of the Southern Plateau. So here options are Chota Nagpur Plateau, and dear students, Malwa Plateau. Dear students, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Options are Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, मालवा प्लेट्यू, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू, and D option is Tibetan plateau. Tibetan plateau. Yes, what is the question? This plateau is not a part of southern plateau. So here Chota Nagpur plateau, Malwa plateau, Deccan plateau and Tibetan plateau are the options. The answer is Tibetan plateau. This plateau is not a part of southern plateau. Okay dear students. Next one, question number 3. That is the eastern and western Ghats yes dear students, number 3 is the eastern and western Ghats the eastern Ghats and western Ghats meet at these hills. Yes, meet at these hills. Options are Cardamom, second option Satmala, third option Rajmahal, and fourth option Nilgiri. Yes dear student, the eastern and western Ghats meet at these hills: Cardamom, Satmala, Rajmahal and Nilgiri. The correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Okay, now question number 4 is, it is a seasonal river. It is a seasonal river of the Great Indian Desert. Yes, the options are Satluj, Luni, third option Yamuna, and the last option is Kosi. Yes, so it is a seasonal river of the Great Indian Desert: Satluj, Luni, Yamuna, Kosi. The answer is River Luni. Okay, now question number 5 is the Indira Gandhi Canal. The Indira Gandhi Canal gets its water supply from this river. Yes, Indira Gandhi Canal get its water supply from the river. Answers are Indus, second option Satluj, third option Yamuna, fourth option Brahmaputra. Yes dear student, answer is Satluj. Okay, the Indira Gandhi canal get its water supply from the river Satluj. Understand, dear student? So once again I will read. The river divides the southern plateau into central highlands and Deccan plateau is Narmada. This plateau is not a part of the southern plateau. This is Tibetan plateau. Then the eastern and western Ghats meet at these hills, Nilgiri. It is a seasonal river of Great Indian Desert, that is river Luni. And fifth one, the Indira Gandhi canal get its water supply from the river Satluj. Understand, dear students? So the next part here, this is about the choose the correct answer. Now, dear student, I will give part C. Okay? Yes, dear student, now I will give part C, that is state true or false. Yes, the first sentence, Nilgiri is the highest peak. Nilgiri is the highest peak in the Western Ghat. Second, Rajmahal hills are a part of the Deccan Plateau. Yes. Number 3, dust storms. Dust storms in deserts can move sand from one place to another. Okay, number 4 is an oasis is the large water body water body found in deserts, that is formed by rainwater. Yes, the 5th sentence, the Deccan Plateau and the Central Highlands have red soil. Yes, dear student. So first one is Nilgiri is the highest peak in the Western Ghats. This sentence is wrong. Okay, put a wrong mark here. Second, Rajmahal hills are a part of the Deccan Plateau. Yes, this is also a wrong sentence. Then dust storms in deserts can move sand from one place to the another is a correct sentence. Then an oasis is a large water body found in deserts that is formed by the rainwater is also a wrong sentence. And the Deccan Plateau and the Central Highlands have red soil. Yes, this is a correct sentence. Okay, dear student. So these are the true false of this lesson. So dear student, till here today I will stop, and in the next class I will send the question answer of the following. Okay, answer the following question part B, that is I will not solve on the board, I will take a photocopy of that question answers and I will send it to your WhatsApp group. Okay, dear student, till here today I will stop. In the coming days you are all facing the exams, so dear student, you have to do hard work, study very hard, okay, and try to get good marks in the examination. Till here today I will stop. Thank you. Huh?